Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how the centering analysis tool works. We're going to walk through all the cool steps here. So let's dive right in. This is the first screen that you're going to hop into after you've selected your card. This is the adjust screen. Takes you to the first image on the front view, and it goes into step one where you will go in and make your measurements. So you slide the sliders up and down, essentially to build the outer edge of the card. You want to line it up perfectly as you can, and then you want to save and bounce over to the inner edge. So the goal here is to build an inner frame inside the front of the card so that it can do the AI calculations and the measurements. So you're looking for points of reference on the card. It could be anything. In this card, you can see there's already a natural frame. So what you're looking for is anything that you can anchor to on the top, the bottom, and the left and the right. Once you have the inner border built based on those anchor points of the design, you go ahead and hit save it. And you can see it outputs two grades. It outputs the grade on the front for the outer image and the inner. So now you'll bounce off to the back one. You'll do the same. You'll select the outer edge, drag to adjust. And once you feel good about all 4 points being aligned appropriately with the card, you hit save outer edges. You then do the same thing. You're looking for an inner border to build, and you line it up like you do here. You can see there's nothing really that stands out with regards to anchoring. So if you anchor at the top, it kind of naturally anchors across to the left and right. And then if you anchor to the right, you see when you have the top and right, in this instance, it automatically gives you the width dimension of the bottom. You then need to anchor somewhere in the bottom. So the overall objective is you're trying to build an inner frame like you see here. You save that, it gives you the 4 final calculations like you see here at the top, and gives you the final grade results. And then you hit continue, and it saves it and goes to the next steps.